Hello, Geta. So once again to our new members, welcome to the Resilience Entrepreneurs community. This is your first ever PNG community on this platform called Skool, and we are so proud to be the pioneers leading in this space and especially championing this community on this platform called Skool. Now, inside of this live video, I am going to do a masterclass how to use a Skool in a webinar, because on something we can notice we're not very familiar with how to navigate in this platform when we are in a webinar or during our Q&A calls every Friday night. So first thing first, when you log into Skool by looking, we usually have our notifications popping up here. So our next event is our weekly check-in, which happens every Friday night from 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. So in order for you to join this call, when you log into Skool, simply click on this notification here. Now I am using my computer, but even if you're using smartphone view, you'll be able to like that. And then so the next thing that will pop up is this here. If you click on this link on Friday night at 8 p.m., you will not see this. But because I am clicking on this link like 6 days before the event, I am seeing this. So what I will do here to access the call, and now depending on your internet connectivity, don't have any issues accessing the call. So in order for you to join the call, you need to click on this join call button here. Now, if there are people who are already in the call, by looking at them, this number won't be 0. You will probably see 2 or 3 or 5. You'll probably see their names popping up here. But as you can see, I'm me joining the 0 members. First thing first, this is your mic here. So plenty time, plenty permission, finding hard law, finding microphone, because if you're on mute, by looking, it's going to be red like this, and you will see a cross or an X, but X here. This one is for your video. So at the moment, you can look at the video blow me, I'm off. But if me like switching my video blow me, I will click here. And then as you can see, my video is now on and I can see my face. If you want to turn off your video, just click on this as well. So your video will go off. And this is your speaker. So you choose which one to use for your device. And we have the settings page here. Just X this one. And let's say we join the call. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Again, depending on your internet connection, it may take a while to load, but it's always good to be prepared to load. If for some reason you're not able to get connected instantly, and what I would do is I would always refresh my page here, or I would always go back out and then try to come in as well. So one big challenge is connection. So let me see if I can join this call again. So now I am in the call, all right? And if you're in the call here and you look your microphone view, click to mute. This is your video. This is where you turn your video on and turn it off. This is your reactions. So you know how say give a thumbs up, give a heart, you react, fun, love, celebration, sorry, okay? This is your reaction tab. You will not have this because you have to be there to record, and your phone, you will not see the share button here. And then if at any time you wanna what you click on to leave the page, over here you can see other people who are in the call as you. And then this one here is where you can access so any messages you can type in. For some reason you're not able to send, you can your question. Like, how can I unmute? And then to send this, you just click this arrow here to send it. And then everyone in the call should read your message. All right. So there you go. This is a very short masterclass on how to navigate the Skool platform when you're joining a call or a web or even a meeting. So we're just gonna go clicking this, and then there you go. So I hope this video was useful. Let me know in the comments if it was.